everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a peanut butter smoothie. So again, frozen, unsweetened almond milk cubes. I put them in here. I put half a tray in here. Then I do a cup of almond milk. Then I do 2 tablespoons Sweetie. And I do a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter. And I make my own peanut butter, guys. I have the best peanut butter in the world. And then we're gonna blend it, and that's it. Ready? Alrighty, guys. Check this out. Delicious, delicious, delicious. This is so much better than eating just peanut butter because it's gonna fill you up. And basically the only calories in here is the peanut butter, okay guys? So visit us, we're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. You can like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. You can join our Healthy Treats Market support group. You can go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com and visit us. And you can see many videos like this if you subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. Thanks for watching. God bless you.